Okay, go to the browser and then go to the python.org's website, click on download. Now download the latent version of Python. This is 3.9.6 save file. Yes, the Python 3.9.6 is downloading. This is the latest version for now. Okay, now go to the directory where the file is located, double click, and this is the directory where is it will be install now. Yes, it's installing. Now disable the path length limit, and then click on close. Okay, now run the idle Python. So idle Python 3.9, this is 64-bit. Just to run this idle Python. Okay, idle Python is run. Now just write print hello world, enter. Yes, you can see it's printed hello world. Now go to the option and configure idle. Change the font size is 29. Apply. Okay, now see that. Let's change the font size, hello world. Now go to the file menu, click on new file. Yes, see that here print hello world, hello, enter, and then save. I'm gonna save it in the desktop with the Python py file with the name fast Python. Click on save. Yes, see that the file is created in the desktop fast python.py. Okay, now run module or press F5. Yes, you can see what I have printed right hello, it's printed in the idle shell. Okay, now let's set up 5. In that case, go to the F data in the C drive, F data %. See that user ID admin F data local, and then program, open Python 3.9, open the script. You can see this is the fab.exe, fab39.exe, 53. Okay, now start environment variable. Yes, now click on environment variable. Now user variable, I'm gonna edit the user variable. Select the directory, copy this directory, and paste it in new. Yes, I just created a new variable for IT admin. This is the path. You can see path is added. Now system variable. Under the system variable, I am gonna edit this path. Yes, my path is before script, I mean until Python 3.9. Just copy this directory before script, copy, and then new, paste. Yes, this is the system variable, and system variable is also added. Now click on OK. Yes, it's done. Now start command prompt. In this command prompt, just write fib3. Now you can see show version. Yes, this is Python 3.9.6. it is displaying. Okay, now I'm gonna download Visual Studio Code for Python. Just click on Visual Studio Code, Mac, Linux, or Windows. Yes, my OS is Windows, so click on Windows. Yes, save file. It's downloading Visual Studio Code. Please be patient. Okay, now install the Visual Studio Code. Accept the agreement. Next, next again, and then create add path require shell restart. Okay, now just select the create desktop icon, then it will be added a desktop icon of Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's installation completed successfully. Finish. Now it's launching the Visual Studio Code. You can see. Okay, now I'm gonna add extension. Click on extension, add Python extension. This is the Python extension. Just click on install. Yes, it's installing. Please be patient until it's added the Python extension in the Visual Studio Code. Okay, it's added. Now open file. Go to the desktop. What the first Python file I already created. Open. Yes, open. See that print hello. It's opened using Visual Studio Code. Command Python external terminal icon not found. Add code runner extension. In that case, just write code runner in the extension charts bar. You can see code runner is displaying. Just install this code runner. Click on install to install code runner. It's installing. Yes, code runner is installed successfully. Now run code. Yes, you can see the code is run, then it's displaying hello. What I write, print hello world. So run file. Yes, now it's displaying print hello world. It's displaying hello world. Okay, thanks for watching this tutorial.